Hey, Mango. And she's in. The morning ritual. Good morning, Christina.
Good morning.
Good morning, YouTube. We ordered kind bars. These are supposed to be 4 boxes.
Yeah, they like slapped a label on one box and then sent it to us.
Okay.
It's really weird. We are doing a different technique from last time because last time we did our windows in the summer and it took a long time for them to dry. So we're having them in the room with the fireplace this year, which is helping a lot. But I also did extra thick here. And so now I'm just gonna paint the flats, which are definitely dry and not tacky at all. And last time we did 3 coats. So we'll see what we need to do this time. So we're all done painting, and a lesson learned from last time when we had done these a year ago, different windows a year ago, is that this is oil-based paint, which we don't normally use. So we were cleaning the brushes with linseed oil soap every single time we use them, and that is not necessary. So you can put like a little bit of linseed oil just in a little container like this and saturate it. You don't have to clean the brush. You can just wrap it up and then you can use it next time. So we won't clean these until we clean them to start doing the white paint, which is huge time saver and huge water saver and linseed oil soap saver. So that was a good tip that we learned from last time, is just don't wash the brush. Just put it in the linseed oil and then you can use it until you're done. We're in the Chick-fil-A line getting my pregnancy meal, which happens to be the exact same meal shown on this flyer. It's a milkshake and some fries. It's just a little snack. Tide me over until my next snack.
Mission accomplished, I think.
Maybe. Aha!
Does it work?
I think so. My side is a little,
That's so tight.
my side's a little snug because of the back feet thing. Your
Right.
side would be better.
Nice.
Yeah.
That is some solid quality measuring right there.
Yeah. That works. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
What are we going to put in these?
Sweaters.
So many sweaters.
Because we only have that one dresser over there for all of our clothes. All of them. So, just an extra little bit of storage.
Including Sprout clothes, whenever that
Yeah.
happens.
Including the clothes for Sprout.
So this blue chaise is gonna stay here, right?
Yep.
So when the dominoes that need to fall is that we finish the kitchen, and then we move our functional kitchen into the kitchen, so that we have only one kitchen in the kitchen. Clear that whole space, and then all this stuff over here goes downstairs. We have a nice open room. There's our dresser, and that desk goes downstairs. There's going to be a brown couch coming up here to that landing right there, and yeah.
Yeah.
All right, here's what I was doing all day. We've got spackle sanded for the most part. Like I said yesterday, it's a huge mess. It's just like rumpled, rough, and it's kind of a challenge to work with. But got a lot of it done. Some of it needed little touch-ups.
Yes.
This is not one of them. But yeah, for the most part, I think we're gonna have this done tomorrow, and then I can paint. So we were talking about the schedule coming up in the car, and it's kind of getting kind of tense. We're trying to figure out windows of opportunity to do things, and with the holidays coming up, it's going to be a little bit of a challenge because we can't do all the things that we need to do ourselves. We're going to need a little bit of help, and so
yeah, I can't lift a lot of things anymore, so that's why we need other people in.
So things we had thought about before, like lifting the kitchen counter and getting that into place. I mean, I might be able to do it myself, but it'd probably be better with two people. You know, putting the cabinets together is going to be a big. Ordinarily, that'd be fine. That'd be not a big deal. It's only 4 cabinets, but right now it's kind of a big job. But kind of like a physical job that requires a lot of concentration and coordination.
Yeah, I mean, which is mostly my strength, and like I just cannot do it right now.
Yeah.
Like just doing those 2 windows this week completely exhausted me. So we got 2 more to go, and those cabinets, and the countertop.
And we got to move everything in from this area in our current kitchen. We got to move it into what is future kitchen now, and that's going to be all me plus. So I'm going to need a plus. I'm going to need somebody to help me out with carrying around a couple things.
Yeah. So we'll get my family to come.
My job moving forward is going to be to get these walls ready, like I was saying. We've got the line paint that's going to arrive this Friday, and my goal is to get everything ready, primed, ready to go, so I can hit the ground running. Whenever he gets here on Friday, I can just start the line paint process. I hope to have that done. I mean, it'd be great if we can get that done over the weekend. Just make a push and get that done. And then Monday, I'm going to start restoring. This is the second set of windows. They're bigger, but you know, still just 4 panes, so that's good. And so hopefully I get those stripped on Monday, shellacked on Tuesday, and then we can start glazing and painting on Wednesday if we can find the time. So lots of stuff coming up.
I think someone wants food.
How can you tell? Because she's breathing?
She wants food all the time. She's a food-oriented cat.
Very food motivated. Which she meows when she's ready to go out, and when it's time to kick her out at the end of the night, just grab a couple snacks and out she goes. No problem.
It's pretty good.
Well, I think that's it for us today.
Yeah.
Thank you all again for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Hope you had a good Saturday.